Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode we have restored Carrera Parva. If you're interested how the bike looks like at the beginning, you can check in part 1, and here is ready to go. There was a couple of new parts like chain, freewheel, set of cables, brake blocks, handlebar grip and V-brake pipes, because they was really badly worn out. Rest of the stuff and pedals. Rest of the stuff is just clean and lubricated and refreshed. So just quick have a look. The bicycle was in pretty poor condition, never see the service before, but was mostly completed. So just need to lots of labor and love, and that's how it looks like now. I did some touch-ups on the paint job. It's simple bike, no suspension, aluminium frame and steel fork. So if you like similar story and subject like this, please leave the like and subscribe, and see you with the next episode soon. I'm working at the moment on a couple projects. Campagnolo high flange wheel set with Mavic rims. I've got vintage Riley at the moment at the workshop, and Specialized, so I will be guys update you what's going on. And at the moment, see you later and happy cycling.